In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email sequence in ConvertKit. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive in. Building an email sequence can be a game changer for your online business, whether you're looking to nurture your audience or promote a product. ConvertKit is user-friendly and offers powerful tools to help you craft the perfect sequence. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First things first, if you're new to ConvertKit, you'll want to create an account if you haven't already done so. Just head over to their website and sign up for a free trial if you haven't explored it yet. The initial setup is pretty straightforward, so once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Sequences tab on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. Sequences allow you to send a series of emails automatically to your subscribers over time. Now, once you're in the Sequences section, there's a big New Sequence button waiting for you. Hit that, and a pop-up will appear, prompting you to name your sequence. Choose something descriptive that aligns with your content. For example, if this is a welcome sequence for new subscribers, you might name it Welcome Series. Naming it appropriately helps you stay organized later. After naming your sequence, you'll be taken to a new page where you can start crafting your first email. You'll notice a couple of sections, the email subject line and the body of the email. Make sure to write a catchy subject line. This is the first thing your subscribers will see, and it plays a crucial role in whether they open your email or not. Aim for something engaging and relevant. Then, you'll want to move to the email body. Here, you can personalize your greeting, share valuable content, and guide your subscribers on what to do next. Remember, your goal is to build a connection with them. So incorporate storytelling, share insights, and don't forget to add a call to action, or CTA. This could be inviting them to check out a blog post, join a Facebook group, or even purchase a product. Now that you've crafted your first email, let's set the timing for when it will be sent. Under your email body, you'll find options to adjust the timing in the timing section. You can decide if you want this email to go out immediately or delay it for a few days. It's often a good idea to space out your emails, maybe a couple of days apart, so that your subscribers aren't overwhelmed. After setting your timing, you can also add additional emails to your sequence. Just look for the plus add email option, which will allow you to insert more emails following the same format. As you add more emails, think about the journey you want your subscribers to take. Each email should build upon the last, leading them toward that ultimate goal, whether it's engaging with more content or making a purchase. As you continue to create each email in your sequence, keep checking that your content stays consistent and the tone matches your brand's voice. You want your audience to feel connected and engaged throughout the entire series. Once you have all your emails set up, take a moment to review the entire sequence. Click through each email and confirm everything looks good. Subject lines, content, and CTAs. Don't forget to double-check for typos or grammatical errors, as those can undermine your professionalism. After you're satisfied with everything, it's time to publish your sequence. Just look for the Publish Sequence button. Once you publish, your emails are scheduled according to the timings you've set, and you're ready to go live. And there you have it. You just built an email sequence in ConvertKit. This powerful tool can help you nurture your audience and guide them down your sales funnel. Remember, the world of email marketing is all about building relationships, so keep the conversation going with your subscribers. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.